Bonjour. As you see in this lesson, there are many ways to review what we learned in the first lesson, to talk about having some things using the partitif, or liking something in general using the definite article. J'aime le steak, je prends du steak. J'aime le thé, je prends du thé. You'll have some exercises that allow you to review that. For example, number 4, O, sont-ils difficiles? You have Edouard n'aime pas les oranges as the correct answer. If you have du jus d'orange, you'll probably say Bill boit du jus d'orange. If it was Bill ne boit pas, it would be that de. Remember that rule. Indefinite article and partitive become de when you negate. Stacy ne mange pas d'agneau. Stacy doesn't eat lamb or any lamb. But if it was Stacy n'aime pas, whether it's elle aime or elle n'aime pas, it would be the definite article. The definite article does not change after a negation. Êtes-vous difficile en ce qui concerne la nourriture? The model shows someone saying, je n'aime pas l'huile d'olive, le pain complet et le sushi. Je prends souvent de la viande rouge, du riz et des légumes verts. You have the different iterations. J'aime, je n'aime pas, je prends souvent, je ne prends pas, je ne mangerai jamais, I would never eat. Je mangerai blank tous les jours. This is an interesting activity culturally for me. I always find Americans have more food quirks. French people and people from other cultures in the world are often brought up eating just about everything. They're less finicky. And I can say that because I'm finicky myself. Alors, on continue avec le vocabulaire 3. Alors, ici, vous avez juste assez pour commencer à parler de la cuisine. Just enough. You don't have everything. You have une casserole, une poêle, le vinaigre, la farine, le sel, le poivre, la moutarde, la mayonnaise, des poivrons, un citron vert, l'ail, n'est-ce pas? Garlic, l'ail, un oignon. And you have different ways of cooking. À la vapeur, au four, as opposed to à la poêle, as we just saw, using à la vapeur, au four in the oven, and à la poêle, using a frying pan or a saucepan. You have different ways of ordering. Un steak à point, bien cuit, saignant, bleu. Now, most people I know in France order bleu or saignant. They don't like their meat to be very well cooked over there. However, for an American, if you order a steak over in France and you say, oui, à point, you're probably going to think that they gave you the wrong cooking style. It'll feel saignant, because even relatively their version of à point is more like our version of saignant. So if you really like your steaks à point, you should ask for them bien cuits. You have different vocabulary for recipes. Ajouter, couper, faire chauffer. So you trancher, to cut. And more ways of describing something. Épicé, grillé, piquant, salé, sucré, aigre, amer. As I said, there's ways of talking about cuisine, and the book gives you just a starting point. You'll notice that I have given some complimentary information this week. I am posting a little PowerPoint gathering up information about the different regional cuisine in France. And I'll also be posting links to websites like larousse.fr. Larousse is a very good reference. They publish very good books about French cooking, French 101 cooking, even for French people. And also Marmiton, which is initiated by different people on the web, using Marmiton to share and exchange recipes. These are people cooking in France, but not necessarily of French origin, so you have recipes from all over the world, and especially the French traditional recipes. I'll also be putting up links to some popular French restaurants that now, like everywhere in the world of internet, put their menus online, so we can access them online. Some of you may be gearing your French up to using it when you go over and you order. That's why I've emphasized so much the video with Claire at the cafe in Trois-Rivières. And now we'll turn more towards recipe cooking. Les expressions de quantité. My next video after this, or tegrity as I call them, will look at how to go from the partitif to expression de quantité. It's like quantifying the partitif.